Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever the time zone you are turning in from. You already know my name is AbuAG001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you will be the first person to see the video when I'm dropping it. And I beg you, I urge you, kindly watch the video to the end. You're gonna gain one or two things from the video. To all my subscribers that are watching my analysis and they are using the signal to make profit to place trade. Kindly don't forget to put your stop loss and take profit. That is our risk management 1:3. No, 1:3 to our that's it. So let's quickly move into the chart. I see. I'm sorry for that. So let's quickly move to the forest factory to see maybe there is high impact news. This is our forest factory. This is the last day of the March, which is 31st, 31st of March, and this is what we are having. And this is around 1:30. No, this is Canada news. We are not trading any pair with Canada. So USD, this is USD, and the pair we are trading the USD, and this is JOLTX job opportunity. Let's check the usual event. Maybe they say actual greater than the forecast is good for the currency. So they are looking for the actual. They are looking for the actual to greater than the forecast. So this is the news we have today. So this is around 3 o'clock. We have news. So you already know, as I used to say that before 15 minutes before the news, stay away from the market. 15 minutes or 30 minutes after the news, you can just enter the market. If you see liquidity swept, you can see market swept the liquidity, definitely you take your trade, because news does not create trend. It just give us volatility and swept the liquidity up, swept out the liquidity for new trader to join. So let's move to the trading view. Let's see what the news has and what the chart has for us. Maybe we are still printing today. uh, Next month I'm preparing for the next month, so I'm not there is a trade itself there is a trade that is going in our favor on silver USD. If you check your trading view, you will see that silver USD is going in our favor. So you already know we started from XAUUSD, which is gold USD, and you already know this is our swing high. Our swing high is still intact. So our swing high is still intact, and this is our swing low, which our swing low is still intact. This is what we are having. You can see market is in between. And this yesterday, if you watch the video of yesterday, you will see that this is our weekly FEG, which means market is in this FEG that is trying to push the market up. And so let's move to daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. This is the supply that pushes the market down. And what we are looking at, let's find the recent trend. This is the recent trend. This is the break of structure. And this is the manual supply. This is not major supply for me. This is the minor supply, and we are having FEG here. You can see what market, but as for me, this is liquidity. This is liquidity, and so this is liquidity. This is liquidity, and you can see market strength. I'm expecting the market to sell this liquidity. So let's move. Since we have seen that market is in uptrend, this is what we are seeing. Market is in what is in this is the last break of structure. This way the market mitigated, and you can see market is in what? Market is in uptrend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what the market gave us on 1 hour time frame, and this is what we are seeing on 1 hour time frame. As for me, you can see this is the last break of structure after market mitigated this other block. Market give us change of character. Market mitigated this other block. Market give us break of structure, but mitigated this FEG. After mitigated this FEG, so market does not trigger us in. So what's next? This is the recent trend market gave us, and this is the break of structure. This is the other block, and this is the break of structure, internal break of structure. So we are having opportunity here. We are having opportunity here. This is the recent opportunity we are having. Since we are expecting the market to mitigate this space, this is the supply we are expecting the market to mitigate before anything. So this is the recent opportunity market gave us on 1 hour time frame. This is the other block. This is that reconstruction. So we are definitely we are going uptrend, and if we use our Fibonacci adjustment for this, you can say this recent trade is 50% adjustment. Definitely this place is valid for us to take the trade. So this is where we are seeing the opportunity here. This yesterday trade does not trigger us in, but this one is going to trigger us in. So let's move to sliver. Let's see what sliver is trying to do. This is sliver. This is what sliver is trying to do. From daily time frame, this is our swing high, and this is our swing low. So this is the weekly FEG market mitigated. This is weekly FEG market mitigated. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what 4 hours time frame is trying to give. This is the supply that's pushed the market down, and this is the recent break of structure, and this break of structure gave us what, as already mitigated, and give us what, and give us downtrend. You can see, and give us downtrend. But let's move to 1 hour time frame to see that other block very well. This 1 hour time frame. This is the recent order block. You can see break of structure, recent order block, market mitigated. After market mitigated, it gave a break of structure. Market mitigated this break of structure, order block again, continue the uptrend. But this is the trade that triggered us in yesterday. This is the FEG. We plotted the FEG here that market is going to be in uptrend. So this is what the markets. So this is the recent trend. Now let's follow this trend. Let's see what is happening on this trend. And this is the break of structure here. This is the internal break of structure. This is the internal break of structure, and we are having FEG here on 1 hour time frame. You can see all this one will serve as liquidity for me, but we are having FEG on 1 hour time frame. You can see, and therefore we are having FEG here on 1 hour time frame. Let's say F no, we are having FEG. Sorry, we are having FEG. This is the FEG we are having. This is the FEG we are having. We are having FEG here, and this is what we are having on this recent trend. And what we are having now, we are having this is the last break of structure, and what we are having opportunity here. This is other block for us. This is the other block for us. Is the market try to come back? We are expecting another buy from here, and our stop loss will be below this higher low. And we are expecting the market to mitigate it, to sweep this liquidity, this resistance to this FEG. So market may push it back from here. This our trend that trigger. Market may push it back from this resistance. So if you see another downtrend from this resistance, definitely we are buying. Let me adjust my so this will serve as liquidity for us. This will serve as liquidity for us. Liquidity, yes. And on gold also, all this one will serve as liquidity. Serve as liquidity. So this is what we are having on gold and silver. Let's move to US 30. Let's see what US 30 has for us. This is what US 30 has for us. You can see what the market is trying to do on daily time frame. This is the supply we are having on daily time frame. This is the supply market give us, because market give us recent break of structure, and you can see this is the supply we are having. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what 4 hours time frame is trying to. After market is trying to give us uptrend, but this is the FEG on 4 hours market give us. So we are expecting another sell from this FEG. We're expecting another sell from this FEG. But we must be careful. We must be careful before we can take this selling, because this is supply is what is major supply is minor supply. So we cannot say maybe the market is going to enter the supply before this, but this FEG, let's see maybe the market is going to respect this FEG. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what this is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us, and so this is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. We are having internal break of structure here. This is the internal break of structure, and this is our other block here. So this is what we are having in the market. We are having, if markets want to come down, so we are buying from here. If you see any opportunity that market is coming down, so we are buying from there also. This is where we are buying. We are buying from here. And if the sell is going to happen, we are selling the market from here. If the sell is going to happen, we are selling the market from here. This is the buy we are seeing. You can see for this is our swing high. This is a minor swing high, but what market is trying to give us on daily time frame is just to follow the recent trend. This is the recent. You can see break of structure to downtrend. This is the previous break of structure. This is the last break of structure to downtrend. That's why our analysis on this is not too long, and we are having break of structure. This is the break of structure, and we are having FEG on 4 hours. This is 4 hours FEG that we are having. After we are having FEG, so we are expecting the market to what? To still give us what? Downtrend. But what is now when we move to 1 hour time frame to see the recent trend, to see what is happening? This is the recent trend on 1 hour time frame. Market give us break of structure, and this is the other block. So definitely we are expecting the buy if the market come back. So we are expecting the buy again. So this is where we are selling if you want to sell. If you want to sell, this is what we are selling. This is where we are selling. So let's move to let's move to GU. Let's see what GU is happening for, what it's doing for us. This is from daily time frame. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. These are major demand. These are major demands, and this is our minor demand. And if you can see, this minor demand has turned to what? Has turned to support. And this support on daily time frame, what we are seeing at this resistance is now this has turned to supply. Resistance has turned to supply now, because it has given us what? Break of structure. It has given us the recent break of structure that we want. On daily time frame, you can see the recent break of structure on daily time frame. And what we are having on daily time frame here, we are having FEG here. This is the first FEG, this is the second FEG. But let's use both, or let's use Fibonacci retracement to see which FEG is strong to send the market back. And we are having this is where we are having our supply here. This is our supply. And what we are having, let's move this, since we have seen the break of order. So let's move to this. So this supply is not the market is going to break it again, because this is downtrend. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see 4 hours time frame is trying to tell us. This 4 hours time frame, this is where the FEG is. So let's protect the second FEG on daily time frame. So let's try and use Fibonacci retracement. Maybe Fibonacci retracement is going to give us where the opportunity is from this high to this low. So if you want to take this trade, this is 50% here, or this both are valid, or this place is very valid than this place. This is 50, and this 50 does not enter at 50 year. So let's see where the market is. This red zone is not valid, this yellow zone is not valid, and this green zone is the 50%. Let's see if the market can enter at 50% before the trading down. So let's move to 4 hours. These are 4 hours. This is what the market is giving. This is the trade we took here. We said yesterday that we are selling. So this is what the market is trying to do. This is the last break of structure, and this is the break of structure. So let's move to. So we are anticipating to buy on this daily time, or this 1 hour, on this FEG, on this FEG. So this is what 1 hour is trying to give us. This is what 1 hour is trying to give. We guys be patient on this trade, seriously, because we are still have major demand down. So you don't know, maybe the market wants to respect the major demand. because on major demand there is more FEG here, you can see. So let's say maybe the market want to respect the major demand, that's why the market give us another break of structure. That one is manual demand that give us support. And I say this manual demand is the one that give us support. So this support has been giving us another break of structure. So 4 hours time frame is giving us this strength. But where can we take this opportunity? Because all this has already been mitigated. But we guys use daily time frame. We guys find opportunity on this or on this 50% on this 50%. So where can we see the opportunity now? Let's say we are buying. Let's say the 50%. Oh, this is what the market giving us. So we are buying. We are selling again. So we are selling again on 1 hour time frame. This is where we are selling. But the recent trend, what is happening on this recent trend? This is an uptrend because market has given us support and resistance here. This is an uptrend. Just to go to 15 minutes to take this uptrend. Let's see if we can see the opportunity to take. This is an uptrend on 1 hour. I'm sorry, 15-minute time frame. This is what we be expecting on 15-minute time frame. We see break and retest from here. This is what we are seeing. This is what we are seeing. So we are if market want to retest, continue the uptrend. This is what we are buying here. So let's move to euro. Let's see what is happening on euro. On euro 2, let's move to let's start up on the time frame. This is what the time frame is giving us. You can see after market mitigated this demand has turned to support. So market has still given us what we wanted. Okay, the market has not touched it again. So this speed has turned to resistance. That's not our killer. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what is happening on 4 hours. This is what is happening on 4 hours now. This is what is happening on 4 hours. This 4 hours it's not giving me what I'm looking for. So since this 4 hours is not giving me what I'm looking for, so I guess move to 1 hour time frame. Oh, on daily time frame, this is our swing sorry, and this is our swing low that market mitigated. This this swing high, this swing low serve as liquidity. You can see market swept this liquidity, and this is our swing low that market mitigated. So let's now move to daily time frame, 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. There is no FVG, there is no recent opportunity to take the trade. You can see there's no recent opportunity to take the. Let's move to 1 hour now. This is 1 hour trend, and we are having what we are having break of structure here. We are having break of structure here. This is break of structure, internal break of structure, and what what we are having, I shouldn't lie, we are having downtrend with uptrend. What we have on GU, you can see this is valid place to for us to what to sell. This is other block. This is other block for us. and this serves as liquidity. This serves as liquidity for us. So this is what we are looking for. We are selling from here. We are selling again from here. We are selling from here again. Nowadays, I like market to trigger me in before anything. So if you are selling from here, so we are buying from here again. We see we can retest and buy from here. So we are buying from here. You can see already break and retest. You see this year we are seeing break and retest again and buy from here. So this is what we see on GU also. You can see break and retest and buy from here, and we are seeing what uh market mitigated this place and sell from here. This is the opportunity we are seeing. This is the opportunity we are seeing also. So on 15-minute time frame, I don't want to check 15-minute time frame because of the noise. So since I've seen the opportunity for the buy, after the buy and sell, so definitely we take the buy and sell from here. So on 15-minute time frame, let's see 15-minute time frame, let's see what 15-minute time frame is telling you. You can see 15-minute time frame, you just give us the buy. So that is what I'm seeing. Let's see the buy 1:4. Let's see the sell itself. 1:2. The sell is okay. It's because of our stop loss is too large. That is the why. So let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ has for us. This is where we are taking our stop loss because liquidity is over there. This is so you can see 1:0 something. This is not market is not valid. So let's see if the market see. Let's now go to UJ. This is UJ. This is the trade we took yesterday. You can see what the trade is trying to. That's what I said. You guys wait on 15-minute time frame to say we are buying. As for now, you can say we are buying on 15-minute time frame. On daily time frame, sir, this is what the market gave us on daily time frame. You can see what the market gave us on daily time frame. For 4 hours time frame, this is the last break of structure. This is here. You can see this is break of structure. And on 1 hour time frame, what the market gave us. This is what the market gave us now. But let's move to 15-minute time frame for the clear information. This is the last break of structure on 15-minute time frame, and we are seeing what we have seen break of structure here. We are seeing break of structure over there. Anytime break of structure, and this is the market has already mitigated this other block. So definitely we are buying. If you see break and retest from here, we are buying from here. So we are buying the market from over there. As for me, this is where we are buying the market. We continue our buy here. This way we are stopping our buy. This is our TP, and we are buying. If the market break and retest from here, let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is trying to do. You can see this is 1 hour time frame. So I'm expecting the market from here break and retest and continue the uptrend. This is what I'm looking for on what? This is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. Break and retest and continue the uptrend. This is what I'm looking for on 1 hour time frame. Let's now move to GJ. From daily time frame, we can see this is the demand that's trying to push the market up. But what is happening? Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's 4 hours time frame. This is our swing high. You can see market is in between the both. So market is in between the both swing high and the swing low. Let's so 4 hours time frame. This is what we are seeing on 4 hour time frame. Now we are in what we are in downtrend. As for me, we are in downtrend. Now, you see that the market, you see that the market, this is the, let me tell you something. This is the break of structure here. This is 4 hours. This is supply that we are buying, we are selling the market. And this market may expect this, so but let's just plot it as what the market is going to respect this. Market is going to respect this. You know the reason why I said market is going to respect it, because market has said market this red candle has said that candle. So definitely market may come back to respect this and continue the down. Or if this does not, if this does not, this will serve as liquidity and this will push it down. So we are having that trend there also. So this is what we are still having market, we are still having that trend. So let's just see what our let's see what on 4 hour time frame you can see. But there is FEG here on 1 hour time frame. So let's just focus on this trade for you. Let's see what 1 hour this is an uptrend on 1 hour time frame. This is an uptrend. We're gonna see break and retest from here. So our TP here, our stop loss will be here. Let's just do our stop loss. So these are an uptrend. If you want to take this market, this is an uptrend. Because you can see this is the break of the market, so this liquidity continue the uptrend. So let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see if the uptrend is still valid. This is the uptrend is still valid for us. So we are taking the buy from there, and we are taking the sell from here. If this does not hold it, it will turn to liquidity, and this will mitigate the SFEG and continue the downtrend. This is what we are having. We are still having. We still have sell to sell down. We still have the sell to sell down. We can sell market straight this liquidity, but we can sell market. This is the first touch, second touch, third touch. We can sell market straight this liquidity first. You understand? And continue But this is what the market is giving us. Market is giving us supply here. So this supply, let's just use 1:3. Market should come back here because this place is very valid. It's very valid. This one is very valid. Market can come back here, or market can break it. You understand? Because this has served as liquidity as for me. So market may expect this one come back here and continue the uptrend. So let's just see what the market is going to do. So let's move to BTC and our crypto. Let's see what they ask for us also. If we can see, if we see opportunity, so we join the opportunity. You can see this is what is happening from daily time frame. As for me, this is the last break of structure, and this has FEG. So definitely I'm expecting the sell from here. I'm still expecting the sell into this supply zone. Seriously, into this supply zone 1:3 or 1:2. So let's see what the market has for us. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This 4 hours time frame, this is the internal structure market expected. You can see this is the international market was. I'm still expecting market to mitigate this supply, this daily supply before anything. So let's now move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's happen 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. All these face serve as liquidity for me. I'm still seeing liquidity here. Market is going to sweat. Liquidity trend line market is going to sweat. You guys be patient since you see your opportunity. So don't rush. Don't say you want to take. Don't say you want to take every trade. Just align with it. Let the market plays out. So what the market is trying to do now, this is what the market is trying to do. You can see this is the last break of structure, and this is the demand. But this demand is what is not valid for me because it does not. This demand does not give us on what on a zone. If it give us on a zone on a key level zone, definitely it's valid for. Let's share for the let's see for our time frame. Let's see maybe that zone is valid. This is the last break of structure to uptrend. You can see this serve as liquidity, and this is the zone the market is. You can see this is the zone market is. So this one can push it up again. So let's just wait. This one can push it up again. So that is what I'm seeing. But my major opportunity, my major opportunity is here. We are selling. Let's move to Ethereum. Ethereum 2, we are selling on Ethereum 2 because on daily time frame, this is the recent trend market giving us on daily time frame. We are seeing break of structure, and this is the opportunity market is giving me. Market is giving me. So 4 hours time frame, this is what 4 hour time frame is telling us. And yeah, I think all this one is serve as liquidity. You can see there's FEG. All this one will serve as liquidity as for me. So we're expecting the buy from here, but my major bias is here. I'm still expecting sell. If you want to take the buy, you can take the buy. As I said, I'm not chasing any market anyhow again. If I see I follow my process and I see the big opportunity, then I move with that big opportunity instead of chasing the market up and down. So my farm, this is what I see in the market, and this is what the market print out for us. You already know my name is Aboyeji001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see the video. Today is going to be a great day. We are going to succeed, and it's going to be a profitable trade for us. Either in India in this trading and in other skills we are doing. Peace and love. Have a successful day. Have a beautiful day, and have a blessing day and blessing week ahead. Thanks.